You can download full backups of RDS for MySQL instances to restore data to self-managed databases. You can store the backups locally or query backup data. A full backup includes all of the data of an instance and can be an automated full backup or a manual full backup. This video demonstrates how to download a full backup of an RDS for MySQL instance. The procedure is as follows. Step 1. Access the backup list. Step 2. Select a download method. Step 3. Download a backup. On the RDS console, choose Backups. In the backup list, click Download. For download method, select Use Download URL and click Download to download the backup to your local PC using your browser. You can also select Use Current Browser for download method to download the backup directly. To download a backup larger than 400 megabytes, use an observatory client.